ACE. I'm back and ready to eat. Ooh, we got a good one today. You hear? Look at my shirt. I like this shirt. I hope it come out. Yeah, I was gonna do this. Girl, you a 3. You ain't no 4. Well, period. Y'all wanna say it with me? Hey y'all, it's me, ACE. I'm back and ready to eat. If this is your first time here, please don't let it be the last time. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hold on. And I hope you enjoyed the video. As y'all can see today, okay? Got my best friends. I'm calling this, the next couple videos you see is called Get Silly, okay? Because I love a challenge. Y'all know I do challenges, but these coming up are going to be different. I can't believe I'm doing them, but it's all about support. So the first one is peanut butter jelly time. Created originally by Shadia Eats.
The name of her channel is Eating with Shadia.
Carter's Eats brought it back. And then T&V Nation tagged me. Y'all thought I forgot. I didn't forget. I just had to get around to it. And here we are. So the rules are bread, peanut butter jelly. You have to prepare and eat this sandwich 3 minutes. Also using your non-dominant hand. I am right-handed. So I will be trying to do this. The good old lefty. Wish me luck. All right. So that's it. I just brought me some avocado covered in some Slap Your Mama Hot. And this is his avocado. He likes avocado. So, y'all think I'm going to be able to do it in 3 minutes? We'll see. So let's set the timer up. I'm going to set it down here. Oh, maybe I could set it up here. So y'all can see it. My raggedy old phone, but it'll work. Yeah, that will do that. If it'll stay and not fall. That screen's so dirty. Anyway, we're here. This gonna be a quick one, y'all. Clearly. I'm gonna take the tops off first. What? I'm gonna open the water. Hold on. It's gonna be hard. Woo! See, it's already a disaster. Okay, I guess we're not using that. I'm gonna just sit it down here. 3 minutes to prepare it. I shouldn't have had no company so I could move. That's a challenge that I'm gonna have today. I can see. All right. Oh wait, it's on 3 hours, 3 minutes. Let me get that right. All right. I'm nervous. Okay, let's just do it. Hit start. Go. I consider myself to be ambidextrous, to be honest. Because I can eat with either hand. So maybe, hey, this is going good. Shut up and do it, because you can have it. Hold on, I have to make your jelly when I'm done. Hold on. Can I don't know, can I? I'm going to just hold it, but I'm not going to use it. That's peanut butter. Uh-huh. I'm already 30 seconds in. I ain't crazy about peanut butter though, y'all. So I like the okay, we gotta go. The jelly to be dominant. You want a bite? Okay, hold on. We got 2 minutes to eat this sandwich. You think I can do it? We don't gotta do it. Okay, don't touch it. Let it keep going. I put too much peanut butter. Yeah. It's hard.
Open that one. Open it. Open it.
I don't even know if you can have something to drink.
Open it.
I'm gonna open it, buddy. Just wait. Be patient. This ain't happening. I'm scared if I put too much, I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna choke. It's so thick.
Mom,
So much
I
bread.
want some juice. What
I
do you
thought you
mean?
was gonna record. Okay, well, I gotta finish this first. Okay, I gotta finish this first. I can't edit this video. You're gonna fall.
I'm doing that.
See, I shouldn't have had company today.
I'm doing that, Mom. I'm doing that, Mom. I'm doing that, Mom. Mom.
So distracting me.
Mom.
Camden, I'm gonna open it, okay? Okay. Oh. Time. I almost finished. That's hard. That's hard. I'm trying this passion fruit mango smart water today. That was hard. I just get stuck. It won't move. No matter how much you chew, it won't move. No, you need a cup.
What is that? Why did Tony
Ooh.
Cool.
Y'all, that was tough.
The tubs.
So, we're gonna head out. We did the challenge. We failed. I am challenging Shanette Nicole. Y'all check out the video coming up next. And if y'all see me in the same shirt, mind your business. Because I'm doing another one today since this was so light. And it'll be her challenge. I am challenging.
Do you know what, Mom? Do you know what the mom made? I made these.
CJ and Sharice.
And some teddy right light over there.
And who else? Oh, Cindy. Is it Cindy? She changed her name. It was Cindy's Journey. I think it's Cindy Eat now. So y'all see if y'all can finish a PB&J. Prepare, eat with your non-dominant hand in 3 minutes. Oh, and I was supposed to say peanut butter jelly time. I forgot about that one. Even I watched Shadia's video. Even she forgot to say it. I think you're supposed to say it after each bite. I love my avocado like this. Y'all like it? You should try it with some Slap Your Mama hot. It's got to be the hot one. It's got to be the hot one. That regular one don't do.
Be a hot one?
You not going to eat your avocado?
Eat that.
Yeah, that was yours. You said you wanted some.
No, you need to try.
All right, y'all.
No, you need to
Cut
do
it
that.
up. All right. Thank y'all so much for joining.
You don't
This was
eat?
quick.
You don't eat, Mom?
But I'll see y'all
You don't eat?
tomorrow.
You don't eat?
Yeah, I'm done. That was it. Thank y'all so much for
No,
watching.
open that.
I opened it. I hope you enjoyed my best friends.
You can't open
My little distracting best friends.
You
No, you need a cup. Look at your cup. I will see you guys like